Once upon a time, in the world around us, a magical transformation happens. This miraculous change is called water evaporation. Simply put, it's when water turns into vapor, just like steam. Imagine you have a pan of water and you place it on the stove. As it heats up, the water starts to disappear, little by little, turning into airy vapor. That invisible mist is called water vapor, and the transformation from liquid to air is known as evaporation. Ever notice clothes drying faster in the sun? That's evaporation at work, turning the water in wet clothes into vapor. In summer, ponds start shrinking because the sun heats the water and it rises into the air. When you boil tea, the steam that rises above is actually water vapor too. The more sunshine, the faster evaporation occurs. Windy days mean more water turns to vapor. When it's really hot, evaporation speeds up. Evaporation plays a crucial role in the water cycle. The vapor from evaporation forms clouds, and then rain makes its way back to us. Try this fun experiment. Take two bowls, pour some water in both. Place one under the sun and the other inside the house. Watch and see which bowl evaporates faster. Evaporation is like nature's magic trick, turning water into air, then back to us as rain. It's a fascinating and essential part of the natural cycle. This lesson is designed especially for curious kids. Whether you sing it or tell it as a story, evaporation is always a wonder to behold. If you need me to transform it further into a tale or song, just let me know.